Hello children, welcome to Recorder lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn note A. Note A. To play my note A, all I need to do is to add my left middle finger. This forms note A, as you can see on the screen. Cover the holes properly and let it be firm. Exercise 3, note A, short note A. A, 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 A. Now let us play. Can you do it again? Okay, that is all for today. See you in the next lesson. Hello children, welcome to Recorder lesson. In today's lesson, I want to teach you short note G. Short note G. Remember to cover the O's firmly. The left ends with the first three fingers, the index fingers, the middle fingers, and the ring finger. This form note G. So let us continue with long note G. G, 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 G. Let us try it. Very good. Can we try it again? Good. See you in the next lesson. Hello children, welcome to Recorder lesson. In today's lesson, we want to combine note B, A, G together. Note B, A, G. Remember that note B is finger 1, note A is finger 2, note G is finger 3, and added finger 1, index finger, finger 2, the middle finger, and finger 3, the ring fingers. This form note B, A, G. Now let us play note B, A, G. Bag. Are you ready, children? Let us play. Can we take it again? All right. See you in the next class. Hello children, welcome to Recorder lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn note G, A, B. Remember that we have learned the first three notes of recorder, note B, A, and G. In today's lesson, we are going to learn note G, A, B. 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 Children, are you ready to play? Now let us play. Very good. Can we do it again? See you in the next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.